All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, all kinds of good stuff. This one's a real short Dogecoin. What's going on with Dogecoin? Big, massive news. So there was a big whale that purchased 973 million, a mysterious address of Dogecoin right after the announcement from Telsa. So we're going to dig into that a little bit. This is going to be a real short one, but Dogecoin, all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, let's get right over to it. All right, right over here, CoinMarketCap. Dogecoin is down 5% in the last 24 hours, traded about almost 17 cents, 16.9. Clicking it real quick. Again, it's down 4% in the last 24 hours, but here's the big news, everybody. 973 mil in Dogecoin transferred to an unknown wallet after Tesla's announcement. 973 mil in Dogecoin transferred to unknown wallet after Tesla's announcement. Take a look at this, everybody. Real quick one. On Tuesday, an anonymous whale wallet transferred 973 million in Dogecoin to two separate wallets. The first recipient wallet received 80 million Doge, worth 12.6 million, while the second wallet received 5.3 billion Doge, worth 844 million. Holy cow, everybody. 844 million for a grand total of 973 million in Dogecoin transferred to another whale. What's going on with Doge? The transaction occurred 2 hours after Tesla's announcement. CEO Elon Musk announced Tesla will accept Dogecoin as payment for merchandise. There you go. The meme coin price surged 40% after news, but since then erased most of the gains. It went up and it came back down. But oh my gosh, this is a big, big, big thing here, everybody. 973 mil in Dogecoin transferred. Jumping over to CoinMarket. Again, Dogecoin right here. Over here at the website, Dogecoin. One Dogecoin equals one Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inu worldwide. It says choose your wallet. Definitely got to choose your wallet there. What is Dogecoin? Take a look at this.
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, how to get started with Dogecoin. Choose your wallet. You can get Dogecoin on so many different platforms, Robinhood, Binance, pretty much anywhere for Dogecoin. Configure your wallet, get some Dogecoin today, everybody. So yeah, there's a real quick one on Dogecoin. We got whales buying 973 M in Dogecoin. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Real quick one. Price prediction. Doge is going to get back to 50 cents, and it's going to go back, and one day it's probably going to get to $1. All our information is for educational purposes only. Thank you for tuning in to this short one. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day on Friday.